Challenge for us as we go into the overnight hours in the mountains especially. Look at this. You've got temperatures yesterday 56 degrees, average of 57. So it was a nice warm west wind that helped to boost those temperatures, and then that cold air started to seep in. You're at 34 degrees in the mountains this afternoon, at best with 29 this evening, feeling all the while colder much of the day. 14 overnight for a morning low, but 10 to 5 below zero for your feels like temperatures puts us with a wind chill advisory. Unfortunately, that's going to go into effect tonight at 8 o'clock. It lasts until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, and this is what we've got for you. Mostly those folks up in areas of Carroll County as we go down the mountain chain, heading out toward Jefferson and into Boone. Those folks especially impacted by this. You're still going to feel colder though, whether you're in Ennis or Allegheny County or even in the Triad. Any light wind will still make you feel much colder, more like the 20s and teens overnight for you, with those 0 to 5 below for folks in the mountains, if not worse. In the high elevations especially, it's going to be tough. You've got temperatures at 44 degrees today in the foothills with 38 this evening, 22 overnight, so bitter cold continues. We also feel very cold. If you have any outdoor activities that you're heading out for tonight after highs in the upper 40s, you'll want to bundle up. You want the gloves, the hats, and the kids will need it at the bus stops the next couple of mornings too. We stay dry over the next couple of days. We're going to bring back our rain chances as we go into your Friday. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. Until then, we're dealing with the cold and gradual warming into the weekend. You're 60 on Sunday, and those rain chances stay with us. We'll have much more right after this.